Here's how to reset your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So what you want to do is unlock your phone and find the settings app. Tap on settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down until you get to system. Tap on system and then select reset phone. So under reset phone, you'll see a couple of options, and the one you want to pick is erase all data. And it's going to give you a list of all the things that are going to be erased on your phone, including your Google account, system, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if you're sure you want to proceed, tap on erase all data. Then it's going to ask you to confirm whether you're sure. Select erase all data. If you have set up a PIN, password, or pattern, it's going to ask you for that. But if not, it's going to proceed to the reset and you're going to be booted up back to the setup screen. And there you go, you've successfully factory reset your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.